Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious Kahlua agua fresca from La Michoacana, copycat of La Michoacana. If you want to see step by step how to prepare this amazing, refreshing and creamy water, stay with me. First things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing Kahlua and refreshing water, these are the ingredients. I have evaporated milk, condensed milk, vanilla paste, granulated sugar, water, coffee, the coffee you have at home, the one that you really love, use that one. I have whipping cream and of course the Kahlua and ice. This is everything we need to prepare this refreshing and creamy water. So let's get started. I want to start by making my simple syrup. This is a very easy recipe to make your simple syrup. You're going to need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and then we're going to take it to the stove. We're going to cook it until the water is nice and clear. When it's nice and clear, that means your simple syrup is done. We're going to turn it off and we're going to let it rest so that it becomes at room temperature. And now let's start with the recipe. Here I have a little bit of hot water, and to this I am going to add the instant granules of coffee. Look at this. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of the instant coffee. I'm going to go ahead, mix it very well so that it dissolves completely. Once this is done, we're going to go ahead, put it aside and continue making this amazing agua fresca from La Michoacana. Let's put it aside, and now in this big bowl, I'm going to start adding my condensed milk, and of course, I'm not going to leave anything behind. I'm obtaining everything in here. I'm going to add the evaporated milk. I'm not going to throw this can away because I'm going to use it for the Kahlua. And now I am ready to add my simple syrup. Remember that the simple syrup is to taste, so just add a little bit at a time. And now I'm adding the whipping cream. I'm going to go ahead and whisk everything, making sure that everything is really incorporated. All the milks are nice and incorporated, because this is gonna come out so creamy, so delicious, that I know you guys are going to love this copycat Kahlua agua fresca. And here I have my vanilla paste, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon. If you are here watching my video and you like this video, I invite you to subscribe so that you become part of my family. Thank you so much for being here. Here I have the can of the evaporated milk. I have the Kahlua, and I am going to obtain 1 whole can of Kahlua. The aroma of the Kahlua is so intense that you could really smell it. And here I'm just adding it to the milks, and we are going to incorporate. And here is the time when we're going to add the instant coffee. Look at the color. The color becomes so brown, and the smell, the aroma just perfection made at home. Here I am going to taste it to see if I need to add a little bit more of the simple syrup. To my tasting, this is perfect. Let me show you from close up how creamy and delicious this mixture of the Kahlua and all the milks are. Look at this. Like I say, just perfection made at home. And now I am ready to make my agua fresca. I have my pitcher here. I'm going to add a lot of ice. Here in California, it's really hot. And of course, I'm going to refresh myself with this amazing Kahlua agua fresca. And now I am ready to pour. The color looks so beautiful and the aroma even better. It really doesn't take too long to make this amazing agua fresca at home. Copycat of La Michoacana. No wonder this Kahlua agua fresca really sells very good. And now this is my glass. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing copycat La Michoacana refreshing Kahlua. This is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how it came out. No wonder it's the favorite one for everybody. The Kahlua refreshing water from La Michoacana. Copycat from La Michoacana. You need to make it at home. You need to enjoy it like I enjoy it here with my family. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.